Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back again to another video. It's been a while since I've done some update videos. Usually I do them whenever I go pick up some inventory, but most of the stuff I have been buying for the past 2 months have been stuff that I don't really need to go pick up. I guess I'm just gonna prep some items and then go over some updates for what's going on in the store. Alright, so a good, I would say the most major update or the biggest one is all the stuff that I have been prepping for in December has finally hit the warehouses. So like my sales have shot up. I've already done like 6K in sales so far for the month. And I think where I'm heading into the final month of January, so I'm pretty sure I might be able to do 7K in gross sales for January. Net profit is around The gross profit right now is around 1,200, but I have some loans, so I'm gonna be making some loan payments next week. So that's probably gonna affect the amount that I end up with for January. So I think I remember in December, I was talking about how I'm gonna pay off my loan early so that I can get another loan offer heading into the new year. So that loan offer that I wanted actually came quicker than expected. So I ended up getting a loan offer. I think it was the final week of December or it was the third week of December. I ended up getting offered $2,600 and the fee for taking the loan is $300. So the whole like loan term that I gotta pay back is about $2,900. But if I pay off the loan early, I might be able to save $150. But to be honest, I think I might just drag on the loan all the way towards the end, because if I can have higher sales and make sure that I make my loan payments on time, I'm pretty sure when I pay off this current loan, I probably might be able to get like another loan offer that's bigger. So probably maybe like a 5K loan. I'm not too sure, but things are going pretty good so far. So yeah, I'm just gonna be prepping today. I don't think I'm gonna do a shipment because the amount of stuff that I have today, it isn't gonna be worth shipping stuff out today, because I probably only have about 50 units in total for this shipment, and all this stuff might be pretty heavy. So the cost per unit is probably gonna be more expensive. It's better off to just wait, because I have about a grand weekly payout that's coming in this upcoming week. So hopefully when I spend that, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be able to just go through all that money pretty quickly, or I can spend all that in like 1 to 2 days. But I should have about, I would say it's probably gonna be like a 150 unit shipment for this upcoming shipment. And also I've been experimenting with prepping stuff. So I bought this little heat wrap stuff to try to save money on prepping things, because the little poly bags were kind of expensive. The problem is that it takes longer to prep stuff, so I probably will not go that route, even though it saves money, because I value the time better than the money. So I'm going to probably just gonna add this type of prepping for bigger items, like stuff like this, because if I put this stuff in a poly bag, it's gonna kind of rip it. So this is better because I can kind of like cut it to shape and then heat shrink it down to whatever shape it is. But mainly for like smaller stuff, poly bags are going to be way better. So with this one, I can just cut out a piece. Grab these two products. So now you just tape this up and then heat shrink it down. Get the heat gun. Alright, so now it's all heat shrink together. So all you gotta do is just slap on a sticker for a set, and then I guess a choking hazard sticker. So stuff like this would be better for this type of prepping. Alright, so sales wise, things are pretty much going good so far. This month I might be able to end off at 7K sales. If I can keep that up for about like 3 or 4 months, I might be able to do like my entire year of 2024 in 3 to 4 months. And if that happens, I might be able to actually break 100K. 2025 I might be able to actually break 100K in sales, because let's say everything, like, I'm pretty sure if I do 7K in January, and then in February I probably might end up doing like 5K, and then that next month I might break 10K from like all the money that I've made in those 2 months. They're probably gonna all be put into the third month. So if I can do that, I should be able to break 30 some K in the fourth month of the year. And if I do that, I'm pretty sure in November to December, I'll have more money to hit those months pretty big. So if that happens, those 2 months might end up being about, let's say, like a 10 to 15K month. This is all just like guessing, so I'm not pretty sure because I can't tell the future. But I mean, I'm not even taking out money from the business, so everything that I make is getting put instantly back so that I can compound everything faster. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the updates. I think I pretty much covered everything that was, I guess, pretty important for what's going on. If you made it to the end of this video, thanks again for watching like always, and I'll see you in the next one.